Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. I haven't had this in like 10 years. Black garlic oil tonkotsu. This is one that a fella named first name last name on the channel, the Ramen Raider channel on YouTube was mentioning. At least that's what I think he was mentioning. It's 500 mils of water, right? Yeah, 500 mils for 3 minutes. Standard instant noodle. So 1, 2, 3, and here we go. How you guys doing? I feel like garbage today, which really sucks because this is like a day I've really been looking forward to. This is the day where I get my second COVID shot, and I just got like the meanest allergies right now. It sucks. Went out, did a bunch of walking this morning, did like 6 miles, something like that. And I guess I just got bombarded with pollen or something. I walk by like both ways. I go past this stand of like about 11, 12, I don't know, cherry trees. And at this point in the season, it's just like you walk by it and you feel like the air is thick because it just stinks. I mean, it just reeks of cherry blossom. It's gross. It's a sweet smelling funk. And I swear that's what does it every time. And of course, we're up above that here, so it all comes upwind. There are cherry blossoms everywhere around here floating around. But the weather's nice. It's a light breeze. I was able to. I've got a unbuttonable lining in my big coat, and the last 2 days I've gone out. I've been able to remove it, so it's warming up a bit. It's nice. Let's do our quote of the day today from Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 257. Too much salt is bad for you, but no salt at all makes food bland. What is important is balance. True. That is one of the, at least it used to be. When I come out with the top 10 list and it says, you know, I've done like almost 4,000 varieties reviewed, they're like, wow, you eat all those instant noodles? Aren't you worried about the salt? It's like I would be if I ate all of those. I'm doing 4 reviews today. I'm not eating all of that. But yeah. I'm just beat, and I know that I'm going to be even more beat after I get my shot. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I went out, came back, did a little bit of walking around. I just feel all sorts of beat. I'm just ready for it to be nice. And for all of that, what do you call it? All that pollen just to get lost. It's too much. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. But we'll do this one up nice. Yeah, first name, last name guy, he was talking about how he, what did he say? He makes his own black garlic oil. And he was talking about how that's different from black garlic. Black garlic is a completely different thing. Black garlic oil is something else. There's like actual garlic when you grow it, I guess, is black, and then there's like making garlic black by roasting it or doing something with it just so it cooks down, I guess, and it caramelizing it to the point of no return. Okay, here we are. So I'm gonna do this so it looks as absolutely nice as possible. Let's put this right about there. Can you see? No, you need a little bit more. So I started up doing this today, and this camera decided that the SD card was bad and needed formatting. Luckily, I didn't really need to get anything off of it, but then I formatted it, so we'll see how happy it is. I'm hoping it's really happy. I think it's because it gets so hot, it damages the SD card, honestly. Okay. Then you add the garlic oil all over. See, it's all speckly. So I want to give this a try. There you go. There's a nice shot of it. Well, it's hard with the angle of this to get it just right. We'll see. That's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. I'll try the noodle too. I know I liked this one. And it seems to be a nice, garlicky tonkotsu. Nope. That is Demae ramen. Faux show. Okay, let's do this up. Thought we were gonna have our friend Matt on the show, but unfortunately, I think he was up too late working on his book about the serial killer. But that's good. Productivity, man. No worries. There's that. Little piece of narutamaki. See where they're putting it. Gotcha. I'm gonna put some of this here. Burnt my finger. I'm gonna put my Naruto like that, I think. Oh, I don't want you submerged. No, 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 no. Hang, hang. Come on, you can hang. There you go. And then we've got one of the last 2 eggs that I made. Yeah, so I'm getting my shot today. My wife got hers on her birthday, and I'm like, this morning, I'm like, how you feeling? She's like, my arm is killing me. I'm like, still? She's like, yeah. So she got the Moderna. I'm getting the more Pfizer. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully well. Yeah, the first shot I didn't really have any issue with. That looks alright, doesn't it? I think I'm actually going to try to cozy this over a little bit. Right like that. There you go. Then we're going to use some sesame seed. And do we want some I washed this thing out. Yeah. I'll use that for other shichimi I have. I got like a bag of shichimi and I put it in something, but I wanted to put it in another thing, so there's some shichimi. Yeah, I think that will work. Man. Yeah, it's just like, it feels like there's a bunch of ants inside my sinuses right now. And I know somebody's gonna, are you sure? You sure you don't have the COVID already? You only got the one shot. I'm like, yeah, I'm pretty sure. So let's rotate them. All right, well, that's one down. The next one is going to be another one from Hong Kong. This is another Doll brand one. This is the sesame variety. So, yeah, stick around. See you tomorrow. Rock and roll. It's Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.